Okay, I don't understand what's happening. It appears that the engine coolant is empty, almost empty, right? So I am going to unscrew the lid because how else would I be able to get coolant in there? And when I do that, it starts hissing and bubbling, and the water starts. When the coolant starts bubbling and it starts filling up the reservoir. But it's like bubbling. I don't know if I should take this lid off. What do I do? It's like fills up the reservoir when I unscrew the lid. From where? I don't know. And that hose? This hose maybe? What does that do? What does that hose do? I have no idea. So, do I unscrew the lid and... Whoa, that was steamy. So, I guess I put coolant in